Today we're at 672 White Bird Way. We're doing a QC inspection. Home is in great shape. Yard was just mowed. Looks as though we have some overflow in the gutters there. The presence of a gutter guard in the first 3 feet, but beyond that it looks like the gutter is actually overflowing. Need to empty that before causing further damage. We also notice climbing up here along this cable some Confederate jasmine, that if that continues to grow up there, it's just going to start intertwining itself into the siding along that gutter. It's just going to become a nuisance, so we're going to ask that that gets trimmed back. Structurally, the home is in great condition. As you can see, a huge backyard. Got some limbs down back towards the shed back there. Inside the shed, there's debris left from previous tenants. We need that cleaned out. We also have some large limbs on the ground over here towards the left side of the fence. Plenty of room to entertain upstairs. That large deck. As you can see from this angle, the soffit is hanging down in a couple of places. I'd like to get that secured before any high winds come up and go into that roof and end up knocking the soffit down. This exterior utility room, storage room, whatever you'd like to call it, has a switch that doesn't have a plate on it at all. So we're going to ask that a switch plate be put on there so no kids can put their fingers alongside the switch and get shocked. Let's come around here to the right side. Actually, it would be the left side of the home. They've gone ahead and built a fence around the AC unit. Good protective measure. It's brand new, along with internally the furnace and internal AC unit. Good measure to protect an investment. Let's take a look inside. Upon entry, you see the wood laminate flooring, a couple of coat closets, got a smoke alarm, formal dining area, kind of flows into a living area. Kitchen appliances, the dishwasher is still has some packaging on the front of it there. That blue is not supposed to be there. Those are stainless steel, not gunmetal blue. And on the bottom of the stove, same thing, that needs to be peeled off of there. Notice up here above the microwave, the plug is actually plugged into an outlet that does not have an outlet cover, so we'd like an outlet cover placed there. Home is in great shape again, just minor little things here and there. Double door pantry here. Does appear to have recently been painted. Looks like they did a very good job. Don't see any missed spots. Let's take a look downstairs. This home is huge. The garage recently sealed floor. Have a garage door opener on the far right side. On the left side, it's manual. Notice the locks that are in place for security measures. Also have a utility room here, laundry room. This is dryer hookups, washer hookups over on this end. Storage. Downstairs have a very large great room. Sliding glass doors that lead out to that patio where there's additional storage. Our utility room down here has the water heater, which is brand new. I do have concern on this pipe over here that appears to have been repaired and yet is still leaking down the side of the wall. It is moist to the touch. It is still leaking. Brand new AC unit inside. More storage. I just walked under a smoke alarm. Carbon monoxide sensor. And let's go upstairs and check out the dormant quarters. Guest bath. Notice the handle is off of there. It was very loose. Just left it off so that it could be tightened. It needs an Allen wrench, else I would have done it myself. Another carbon monoxide sensor. Each of the bedrooms is equipped with a smoke alarm. And that concludes our inspection of this rather large home on Whitebird Way.